So in this assignment, you were asked to work out the fractions of, and it clearly says in the assignment that you should be copy down the fraction of calculation and show any work. So if you watched the video on Monday, you would know that the working that you should be doing to do these types of questions, you first of all think about this as if you were working out 1/4 of 28. So in fact it says 3/4 of 28. We want to think about what would 1/4 of 28 be, and to do that we would be doing what is 28 divided by 4. So I would expect to see your working written down for that. That means your answer would be 7. You then take that 7 and you do a second piece of working. Because it's not just 1/4 we want, but 3/4, we're going to then do 3 lots of the 7 and you get the answer of 21. So that answer should be written back up here together with a pound sign. Just make that a wee bit tidier. So pound sign and your answer of 21. So 3/4 of £28, you would expect to find your answer to be £21. What I'd be looking for in this next question, you're working out 2/5 of something. I would expect you to show me the working for working out 1/5. And to do 1/5, that is you dividing by 5. So you're doing 35 divided by 5. So in your times tables, you're thinking 5 times what makes 35, so that would be 7. So again, this time you got 2/5, so you're going to want 2 lots of that 7, which means your answer here would be 14, and we should have that written up here with the numbers. So it's these bits of working here that we're missing from most of the assignments that got uploaded on Monday. So I need you, there was only 1 or 2 people who actually did do the work, and the rest of you just wrote the answers. So even though you can sometimes work things out in your head, it's still about showing me the processes that you need to do to get your answer. So here in number 3, you're working out 5/8 of 40, so you need to work out what's 1/8. So you're going to do 40 divided by 8. So in your 8 times table, 8 times what makes 40? And the answer to that is 5. You've then got 5 lots of that, so it's about doing 5 times 5, which gets you the answer of 25. And of course, we would be putting the 25, let's rub that out, don't know why that went so small there. We would be doing 5 times 5 equals 25, and put our answer up here as well. Number 4, you're dealing with the fraction of 2/9 of something, so you work out 1/9, so you're doing 72 divided by 9, and that's your 9 times table. 9 times what makes 72? And the answer is 9 times 8. So that's how many groups of 9 you can make. And then we wanted 2/9, so we will be getting 2 lots of 8, which is going to give us 16. So your answer up here would be 16. The last one, you're working out 7/20 of 120, so you want to know how many 20s are there in 120, and hopefully you can see a wee bit of a connection there between the 2 and the 12, and the fact that it would go in 6 times, 6 lots. Right? 6 times 20 is 120, so when you do 120 divided by 20, you get 6. We want 7 lots of that, so 7 times 6 would give us 42, and we need the pound sign when we do this, and that would be your answer. So hopefully it was 5 out of 5, even if it was 5 out of 5, in some cases there was no work in there, so I would like to see you. Today you're going to do a wee bit more practice on this, but I want to see the working set down.